Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to import W2 Turbotax, full guide. Open Turbotax and sign in, then choose the option to import or manually enter your form W2 information right away. I will guide you through employer import, uploading a PDF, or snapping a clear photo, and explain common settings to avoid errors and save time. Start by navigating to Federal Taxes, then Income, and click Add W2 to begin the import flow. Follow prompts to search your employer by name or EIN and authorize the import when prompted to pull form W2 data automatically. If the direct import option is unavailable, I'll show how to upload a PDF or take a photo and manually enter each box to ensure accuracy. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tax tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your commute pleasant while you focus on taxes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the import fails, first confirm the employer name and EIN match your form W2 exactly to reduce search errors. Compare Box 1 Wages and Box 2 Federal Tax withheld to the imported entries and correct any mismatches immediately. For duplicate W2 entries, remove the extra record and recheck totals. I'll also explain when to contact support or your employer for corrected forms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.